How to change theme in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to change theme on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Edits application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the top, just right here. Select it. Now from here you can find there is no any built-in feature to change the theme on this application. Now you need to use the built-in feature of your mobile phone. Now go to settings. Just like this. After that, here you can find display and brightness. Just right here, tap on it. And then here you can find appearance. Now tap on to dark. And just by doing this, you can change theme of the app. Now go to the app, and now you can see it has been changed to dark mode. And that's it. This is how you can change theme into the Edits app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.